Automated discovery at Veeam is very easy to do. Whether you have a number of virtual machines or a number of physical machines, you can have automated discovery across your environment. Let's take a look at a quick demo to highlight the ease of use. What I'm looking at here is the Veeam Backup and Replication console. I have one job called Example 3 Automated Discovery. This job is already set up. I have in here one item in there, the vSAN data store. I have a number of different virtual machines already on that storage, and that means every time this job runs, every virtual machine on there will be included, and then when another one comes in, it'll be added to the job. I can build this across a number of different constructs in the environment. Tags combinations, for example. I can explore the cluster, find a category of interest, and find one or more tags to build these jobs. So here I have two tags, backup only set A and set B. I can have any virtual machine that has that tag be included in the job. Likewise, I could expand it across the VMs and templates view. I can take a look at different folders. Here I have my individual folder as well as some others. If I wanted to, I could add those to the backup job. And again, same thing. What's in there today would be backed up, and then the next time the job runs, if there's new virtual machines, they would be included as well. And you can browse your environment across all of the different organizational constructs you have, whether they're logical or straight infrastructure resources like storage or resource pools. You can build your jobs to include all of that. Now that's the story for virtual machines, and we're going to come over to Hyper-V in a second. But physical environments can benefit from a similar logic as well. I'd like to introduce you to a protection group. A protection group is basically a way that one or more agents, which backs up Windows and Linux for physical systems, can be built automatically. Here's a list of Linux systems being built from a CSV file. Now in this file I do only have one computer name, the DNS name is listed in there. But in that file is just a CSV list of this particular system, and then this will automatically be read and loaded to then tell the protection group this number of systems are to have every day at 9 p.m. the Veeam agent for Linux automatically installed on those systems. And if we needed to, we'd do a reboot, and there's an option for the Windows systems down below. Now once those are made, I can even then put that into a backup job just like that. And that job's already set up, and that system's automatically backed up from the protection group. Same thing happens over in Windows. This particular protection group is actually built off of the Active Directory OU Tier 1 backups. So this is very similar to these other examples where the moment a new computer account comes into that OU, and let's take a look in Active Directory, you'll see there is that OU, and I have two computer accounts in there. The moment more systems are added and those computer accounts are in that OU, the agent will be automatically deployed and they will be automatically added to the backup job. Completely transparent. It's a great way to have automatic discovery. Now let's switch over to a different environment. This is a Hyper-V environment, and this environment is really similar to the VMware example I spoke of just a second ago, but I'm instead backing up the entire cluster, which is again a great catch-all to automatically discover anything in this environment. And with Hyper-V, it's a little bit different than the other examples. I could add the different storage systems, tags, and VM groups as well. And you can browse through and build your jobs as you see fit. So I have two CSV volumes in here, 3 hosts, and you can see those right there. So this is a very easy to use way to have automatic discovery across your environments for both your virtual machines as well as your physical systems. It's that easy. And if you like what you see, I really encourage you to download a trial at veeam.com.